Bibira.
Video.
Bibira mo kapitan, video.
So, tanggal ka ng jacket mo.
Nini mga tungura ato nga makita ang kining
Ayan po siya bayad to.
Oh, siya ang inventory lang.
Hindi, siyang arresting seizing. Siya lang inventory document.
Ako naman, ganito.
Arresting seizing, siya nag-seizing.
oh
How much will be that cost? Daniel, no?
wala. What was this, Daniel?
Parang pabigat ng
Dryer yan, dryer.
Ha?
Dryer.
Abi na?
Dryer ng ito, ewan na.
Sorry ka ha? Sorry ka ba sa? Sorry ka ba sa?
Yun yung po.
Ano
Yung po
lang,
kasi-
pakita ka, ano lang.
Ayun lang, wala. Wala. Kapil ka pa rin, inventory.
Dako siya ng lamisa, kato. Ang bilog ba?
Ano sa siya? Akos?
Kush?
This one is akos?
What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? You don't know? It's just grass?
As
Or what?
far as I know,
What?
I don't know what that's going. Yeah.
Mano siya mga igala. Nga ang muna dalagpan money ang dalagpan si Daniel Gadsden. How old are you by the way? Daniel? 24. Okay. From what country are you, Daniel? From what country?
I'm from the UK.
Okay. So, how long you have been here in the Philippines? Daniel?
Too long.
Too long. Since
A year and a half.
okay. How about this one who gave this to you? Those
picked it up off a Filipino guy on behalf of my friend
okay.
Kumuha ka na lang, no?
to send it to him, not knowing what was inside.
Mm. What he told you? That it is a medicine?
Sorry?
What did he told you? After he gave the bag?
This is the press you are? Sorry.
Yeah. I just only recorded your statement.
Okay.
Mm. What did he told you after he gave this bag?
This is, he said medicine.
A medicine for?
He told me that I'm doing it for medicine. Yeah.
For you said
Said
to me a while
Viagra,
ago.
to be honest.
Yeah, you said to me a while ago that this one is owned by a COVID positive patient.
He is in COVID quarantine.
Okay.
100 euro?
So manito mga igala.
10 grams kaya? 10.
Ang dalagpan karon sa joint operation sa Criminal Investigation Detection Group CIDG 7. Ganun man sa Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency 7, RID 7, RIU 7 o Police Drug Enforcement Group Visayas, no?
Sila yung karang balyo karang.
Kawagan Sir John, sir.
Kini mao nga kuan nananap na ang pideya mga igala. Batok na kini mao nga nalagyan.
Kakay ko na siya kuan ko. Description ko. Description ko. Kuan na siya.
Wait, agad.
Nadiktay siya description.
Lagay ko lang si estimated weight. Estimated weight ng lagay ko. Rap marijuana tayo. Rap.
Ano siya?
How much is that?
You know what it is? Plastic na. Marijuana tayo. Dried marijuana leaves lang.
Driver yung gives.
Yan ay pada.
In garbage plastic.
Garbage plastic bag. Plastic. Wrap.
Dry for the side.
Drive by the one leaves. Wrap.
Rap, bagas pa nga.
W.
Rap. Okay.
Wrap in
Rap. In a garbage bag.
a black plastic. Garbage.
More dili leaves ko man ganang sanga.
Estimated, estimated weight na.
Paano sir, dried marijuana
Estimated lang,
stocks?
sir, talagang estimated lang.
Murag lang sa dried stocks ano, boss? Nya, kuyo kaniyan dry, sir, bahawag sir.
Estimated weight, ano.
5 grams.
Dryer.
Dryer ano?
Sir, dryer ni?
Dryer. Pan.
Marking na ito?
So, di na maman. Okay. Murag flashlight, sorry.
Sir, yung ID mo sir, nasa yun.
Ano, nandito na.
Pwede natin butang dire.
Sir, mahawiran sir, o garang, mahawiran.
Saan talaga ako na-connect yung hindi na? Mark lang.
Daniel, what is this? Do you know what is? Is this, what?
I don't know.
Kaya naman sa mga ID bench.
Looming.
Yung ano natin, sige. Marking style.
Huwag ko nag-ID.
Okay da?
Hindi ako na pumat.
Kuha na ka ng license.
Pinakalohing balita, record red live. Recorded na live, pag yun.
Ito, ano to, sir? Anong tawag dito? Anong tawag dito, sir? Sa PIDEA.
Yan na lang.
Gadget.
Description niya.
TTI Lumen.
Ito at Lumens Kuan. Parang dryer yan eh.
Is that a light?
Light.
Light.
Dryer. 10,000 lumens. Ibig sabihin, init na siya. Ano mo dry yan ang marijuana?
Portable dryer, di ba?
Portable dryer, sir. No?
TTI, brand TTI.
One piece.
Okay.
Portable dryer.
Portable dryer.